Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited because I just got in my scent and warmer of the month for February 2023. How did I not mess that up? I think that's the first time I've had to say 2023, and I actually did it. I mean, I don't mean to brag. I usually mess that up for a good few months. I don't know. Do you guys do that? I always do that. Anyways, so back to what I was talking about. The scent and warmer of the month for 2023 February. Now I messed it up, but that's okay. Let's continue. So I'm super excited to share it with you. So if you like this video, please give it a like, this hot mess. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So I'm super excited about this one because, first of all, the scent sounds amazing. I have not smelled it yet, but I'm really excited to. It sounds like it's going to be my jam. And the warmer, I think is going to go great in my living room. If you don't know, I do like a Western boho vibe. And I think this will be perfect. It's very, very boho, and it's very on trend. If you walk around Marshalls or Home Goods, you'll see stuff that looks very similar, very on trend, which is something Scentsy is good at. So let's get into it. So we're going to go ahead and I want to talk about what it is, what scent and warmer of the month is first, in case you are new to Scentsy. So every month, Scentsy comes up with a new scent and a new warmer for that month. And as a consultant, I can order the kit that I get everything the month prior so that I can share it with you guys, make samples, etc. But it'll be available February 1st, right at midnight, California time. So Pacific Standard Time. But it's awesome. And in the month that it's for, since this is for February, the whole month, the warmer and the scent circle and the room spray will be 10% off. So that is amazing. So in the kit that I can purchase, I get, I'm not going to show you the front yet because I want to share with you the warmer and stuff before I show you pictures. But I get 50 flyers. So this is how I'm able to send out flyers to let my customers know what is coming. And then I also get 72 rub and smell stickers. So these are scented stickers. And I also get 8 of the bars. And here is the bar. And I'm super excited. So let me go ahead and take out one of these, one of the flyers. I'm still not going to show you the front yet because I don't want you to see the warmer. The warmer's pretty cool. But the scent is called Pink Coconut. I love coconut. Right now, I just switched over myself, not Scentsy, but myself. I just switched over from holiday scents to my spring, summer type of scents that I already had from previous season. Because I took my tree down and I'm ready for something different. So my bathroom always has coconut cotton, which is in my Scentsy Club. It's no longer available, but oh, it's so good. And I'm excited because I love coconut scents. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open it and take a whiff. So Pink Coconut. It's a pretty color too. All right. Oh, it's lovely. Now, I'm not going to say it's super coconutty to me. It's just very, it's a little light. For me, it's feminine, which is what I like. This to me is a bedroom scent. In my house, it's going in the bedroom. It's very girly, very relaxing, very like sweet. Definitely something sweet in there. I do smell coconut, but it's mingled with like sugar or something. All right, let me see what Scentsy says. Okay, so Scentsy describes it as, ground yourself with the soft scent of sweet raspberry, earthy pink clay, creamy coconut, and Tahitian vanilla. Yes. Okay, so it has vanilla and it also has the raspberry. The raspberry was the sweet scent I was smelling. Yes. Ooh, it's pretty. It's really pretty. And like, yes, you do get the coconut, but I knew there was something else in there. I just didn't know what it was. But it's really good. I really do like it. Okay, so it says the top notes, which is the first thing you smell, is sweet raspberry. Yeah, remember I said sweet? You guys, it's almost like it's not my first day on the job. I mean, I didn't know it was raspberry, but I knew it was something sweet, and I liked it. Okay, the mid notes is creamy coconut and pink clay. I don't know. I don't go around sniffing clay, so I don't know what that is. And the base notes is Tahitian vanilla. You guys, I like this bar. This is a good bar. I can't wait to warm this. Now, it is kind of light, and it even says, ground yourself with a soft scent. It is soft, which is why I was thinking girly. It's very like soothing, soft, peaceful, relaxing. I'm hoping it's not too light. We got to see once we warm it, but on cold, it is lovely, lovely. And it's in our fruity category. So like I said, it's going to come in Scentsy Bar, Room Spray, and Scent Circle. All three will be 10% off in the month of February. So now for the warmer. And as I'm looking at it, it reminds, it can go in so many directions. I think it would be lovely in farmhouse. It looks Tahitian, which I think there's a lot of islanders where I live here in California. I think people would really enjoy this warmer. But for me, having the Western, I think it's going to look really good. I'm excited about it. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at it. It's called A Twine to Unwind. A Twine to Unwind, because it has twine. Look at Scentsy. They're so clever. And now, I don't mean to brag or anything, but I just bought this new, it's an outlet thing that like you screw onto your desk. And I feel really fancy right now that I have an outlet right here. Because usually you guys know, you see me going back here into this hot mess. And then it's far from here, so I'm almost pulling it. It's always drama, right? Always drama. So now I got this outlet thing here and I'm all about it. I've been using it. My ring light's been plugged in. My cell phone's been plugged in. I'm feeling fancy. All right, let's open this up. Now, I always like, right here, we always have a quote from either Orville or Heidi. Or this time it's Dan Orchard, who's the interim CEO, because Heidi and Orville are in England on mission, on their religious mission thing. So this is really cool. I've never seen one with Dan Orchard right here. So that's Scentsy trivia. Anyway, let's read the quote. It says, "What if is only part of the story. Yes, if. Now that's where dreams come true. Goals are achieved and lives are changed." Dan Orchard. That's a good quote, Dan. Good job. Not too shabby. All right, so let's go ahead and start removing the paperwork. All right, the glass dish is a clear round dish. All right. Now it says 4 cubes right in there. This is kind of a smaller dish. I would go with 3. Just saying. Not saying, just saying. I think 4 might be a little excessive. All right. Ooh, this is pretty. All right. All right. has a lot of pieces to it. So just give me a moment. I'm going to get it together and then I'm going to share it with you. Because it has a glass insert. Ooh, it is pretty. Ooh, is this clear or is it bubbled? I want to see. Okay, the glass insert is what I'm pulling out now. Okay, it's a clear insert and it says this side up. All right, I got it. All right, and it is bubbled. I like it when it's bubbled. I don't know why. I don't think it matters, but it makes me happy. And let's see. Throw all that in there. And it feels like a 20-watt bulb. And you know, we sell colored bulbs. So if you want to change the color, it's only $2 to get a colored bulb. It's a 20-watt bulb. Let's go ahead and take this part off. Ooh, this is definitely handmade. All right. Okay, I'm here for it. All right, so let's go ahead and show you what it looks like. So what did they call it? Twine to unwind? Is that what the heck they named it? A twine to unwind. So it's supposed to be like a time, but twine, get it? It's super pretty. It is super pretty. It's definitely handmade. So it looks like they went this way, and then they also went on these edges right here. On these pieces, they went around all the way up. It is beautiful. It's pretty. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put the bulb in. Then I'm going to plug it in my fancy desk outlet thingy. I don't know the technical term. So that's what we're going to call it. Now, I do think I have to still unravel it because I don't think this is long enough here. There we go. Look at that. So fancy. Okay, so then the glass insert, it says this end up. Okay, we'll do that. This end goes up. And then the dish sits right on top. So this is what it looks like. This is the dish right here. It's very pretty. I think this is going to go so good with my Western theme because it's very rustic. But I think if you like island type stuff, like as a matter of fact, I have our Southern Hospitality warmer, which is the one that looks like a pineapple. That would be really pretty next to this. Not saying, just saying. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this one on. All right, 1, 2, and 3. That's beautiful. That is really pretty. Another thing that I like about it is this is a good one for where you don't want a ton of light. I don't always like my warmers clear because sometimes I just don't want that much light. Now, like in the bathroom, I want them clear because I want them bright so that I don't have to turn on that big old light, the overhead light, when I go to the bathroom in the middle of the night and wake myself all up. I love having just the Scentsy warmer light. But in my bedroom, this is beautiful. This is super pretty. She's pretty. I likey. A time to unwind. So, you guys, this is a winner. Winner chicken dinner. The last scent warmer of the month. I loved the warmer, which, where is it? Oh, I didn't turn on my stuff. Hold on, you guys. Boom. Let me get it together here. That warmer right there was the warmer of the month for last month, but I did not like the smell. And I told you guys, I did not like the scent. But the warmer, fabulous. This month, I love not only the warmer, but I love this scent. So if you want a sample of the scent, let me know and I will get one out to you. In the description of the video, I have my email. So go ahead and send me an email with your address. And that way I can get a felt sample out to you, get some info out to you. But I really love it. Oh, it's so pretty and boho. I love it. It's so pretty. And I love the glow. Almost looks like a coral. It almost looks peachy. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I do love it. I do love it. All right, you guys, so that's all I have for you. Let me know what you think. Do you like this warmer? I definitely think this one's not going to be everybody's style because it's very like, has a style to it. But I think it would go beautiful in farmhouse. I think traditional it could work. I think even minimalistic it can work. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. I actually really like it. I actually like it better than the picture. The picture's pretty. The picture's pretty, but I think in person, it's just prettier. I think it's really nice. I really like it. And it also reminds me as well as the shape of a Chinese lantern a little bit. But I dig it. I dig it a lot. It's going to be, I'm going to be putting it in my living room. I know exactly where it's going to go. So this will be probably, yeah, I know where it's going to go. Anyway, but that's it. I hope you guys liked my video. I liked my video. It was a hot mess, but I mean, that's my life. That's how I'm rolling. Definitely that's how I'm rolling in 2023. All right, you guys, I hope you're having a great day and a great week, and I will talk to you later. Bye.